Hi, hello. This is Chandrakant Garag. So, welcome to the Garagu Garag YouTube channel. Now, today at linear equations in one variable, that is continue part of that exercise number 2.5. Here, solve the following linear equations. In that first question, x by 2 minus 1 divided by 5 equal to x divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4. So, this is the actual question here. Next step, very simple example actually this is. So, we have x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Let's hear though. So this here I am going to explain one new method. This method is very simple and very interesting and very easy method, shortcut method. Here this 2 and 5, 3, 4. So find out the LCM of these all four terms at a time. So at a time LCM of 2, 5, 3 and 4 is how much? 60. Yes, right. And here this 60 you have to multiply it by all the terms on both the side means this is a LHS and this is a RHS. Both the side you have to multiply both the side and each and every term. So this LCM, whatever the LCM 2, 5, 3, 4 LCM is there in a 60. 60 how to multiply it by LHS also and RHS also. Both the side, both the term. So multiplied by 60 here, multiplied by 60 here, multiplied by 60 here, multiplied by 60. Multiplying both the sides by 60 here. What you will get the answer then here? 2 ones are, 2 ones are, how much? 2 30s are. Yes, 2 30s are. And this is 5 ones are, and this is 5 12s are. 5 ones are and 5 12s are. This is 3 ones are, and then this is 3 20s are. Understood? This is 2 ones are, 2 30s are, 5 ones are, and 5 12s are, 3 ones are, 3 20s are. Here, this is also 4 ones are, 4 15s are. 15 fours are 16 are? Yes. That is 4 15s are. 2 ones are, 2 30s are, 5 ones are, 5 12s are, 3 ones are, 3 20s are, 4 ones are, 4 15s are. So this is x into 30 is 30x, and this is minus as it is 1 into 12 is 12, and equal to x into 20 is 20x and plus 15. So whatever we remained, so whatever the terms are remained here, that's you have to write it here. Now in this, one side as a variable, another side as a constant. So this one you know that transposing 20x to the LHS and 12 to the RHS. This minus 12 will become what? Plus, and this plus 15. Sorry, this plus 20x will plus 20x will become minus 20x. Yes, 30x minus 20x equal to 15 plus 12. So now 30x minus 20x is 10x equal to 27. So 10 if I have to shift this side. So x equal to 27 by 10. Yes, na? So very simple, and this is the transposing method. So transpose 10, shift this side. This numerator will come as a denominator. So denominator, that is x equal to 27 by 10. And just observe it here. Here that LCM. So that LCM is there na. Here I used one method. So that is directly these terms have to multiply by all the terms. Apart from this, one more method you know that. So which method it is? Which method? This 2 and 5. Find out the 2 and 5 LCM. So 2 and 5 LCM is what? 2 and 5 LCM is 10. Yes, 2 and 5 LCM is 10. And this 10, so what is that? X by 2 minus 1 by 5. So LCM is how much? One side you have to solve it, and another side also next you have to solve it. So 2 and 5 LCM is what? 10. So 10. To make a 10 here, to make a 10 here, how much have to multiply? Multiplied by 5. Yes. So that term you have to multiply by numerator also. Multiplied by 5, and 5 here, so here how much have to multiply? By multiplied by 2. Same you have to multiply by 2 also. X into 5 is 5x. Yes, x into 5 is 5x divided by 5 into 2 is 10. So 2 5 is a 10. This minus as it is. 1 into 2 is 2 divided by 5 2 is a 10. Yes. Now this is 5x minus 2 divided by 10. Yes. Same way, you have to solve this right side also. So whatever the LHS part x by 3 and plus 1 by 4 is there na. So this one also you have to solve like this and afterwards do the cross multiplication. So this is also one method and this is also one method. So whichever you feel easy, you may use any method. So maths is like that only. It's very interesting and very means whatever special steps or types are there. It's a very interesting. Whichever you can use it, but answer you will get same. You may use this method. So this method, you may use this method. Both the methods are correct. So I feel that this is a very interesting and very easy method, very shortcut method. So find out whatever the LCMs are there. So whatever the denominators are there, these all you have to take it and find out the LCM, and that's you have to multiply by all the terms, LHS and RHS, all the terms. Yes. Okay. Maybe. So this is a very easy method. So so most of the time you have to follow this method. Okay. So shall we move next example? Next example, second one. Second one is that n divided by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal to 21. Very simple. What is that? I already told. Find out the LCM of 2, 4, 6, whatever here. So here is how much? 1 is there. Denominator is 1. Yes, 21 by 1 only. So now 2, 4, 6 LCM is how much? Yes, it's a 12. So all of you know now how to find out the LCM. So shall I do it this one here? 2, 4 and 6. This is 2 1s and 2 2s and this is 2 3s. And afterwards which have to take it? 2s. Here this is 2 1s and 3 as it is. Now so take that 3 1s. 1 1, this is 3 1s. Yes. So multiply these all the factors. These all the factors. 3 2s 6, 6 2s 12. So LCM is 12. So that's only I wrote it here. 12 is a LCM. And then next step is what? Obviously multiplied by here. So this method I done in a different, that method now optional I told. So here multiplied by 12 also you may do it. N by 2 multiplied by 12. I solved here, I am using different method because you should perfect in all the methods and you should know that how many methods are there. So that's also 3n by 4 multiplied by 12 and next plus here this is 5n by 6 equal to 21, sorry, multiplied by 12 and equal to here 21 multiplied by 12. So this is another method I used. So I told option method na, so that's I told here. So to make the 12, how much have to multiply? 6 multiplied by here also, multiplied by here also. To make the 12, how much have to multiply? 3. So multiply by denominator also and here also. Here multiplied by 12 means 2 multiplied by 2 to get the 12. So multiplied by here 2 and here also 2. So that is 6n by 12 minus 9n by 12 plus 10n by 12 equal to 21. Now this is the, these all fractions are like fraction and this one. So these all fractions are like fraction. So now 6n here, 6n minus 9n plus 10n divided by 12 equal to 21 and simplify this 6n. So 12 also transpose this side and 6n minus 9n plus 10n equal to 21 multiplied by 12 and simplify one by one. Here 6n minus 9n plus 10n equal to 21 into 12 is 252. So now this is, so here, so how much you will get it? So 6n minus 9n is minus 3n. How much? Minus 3n. And so remaining term is plus 10n. Yes, minus 3n plus 10n. So now this is how much? Plus 7n. Plus 7n equal to 252. Now shift this, transpose this. Transpose this 7 this side. So it will become n equal to 252 divided by 7. 252 divided by 7 means how much? 7 ones are what? 7 36 are. How to do that? 7 threes are how much? 21. 7 threes are 21. Out of 25, how much is remained? So 21 means 4 is remained. 42. So this is 42. 7 6 are 42. So n equal to how much we got it? 36. And shall I explain? So this method also, this is also very simple. 2 ones are, 2 6 are, 4 ones are, and 4 6 are, sorry. 4 threes are, sorry. 4 ones are, 4 threes are, 6 ones are, and 6 twos are. Okay, this is 6n and minus as it is 3 into 3 is 9n, 6n minus 9n plus 5n into 2 is how much? 10n equal to 21 into 12. How much we got it? 252. Yes, same equation we got it, na? So just see it here. This one and here this one. Same, na? So only these steps are different. So whatever I done here, so these steps are different, and this is one easy method. You can do like this also. Okay, so n equal to we got it as 36. So now next example, third one. So x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2, whichever method you may use it. So x value will get it as same only. Here, so we have that x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Here LCM 3, 6, 12. That second one I will use. I used one method, one sum, another method, another sum is you should have to be perfect in all the methods. So that's why. And now 3, 6, 2. Here LCM is that 6. So directly you can tell it here 3 and 2. 6 is there, na? 6 is the multiples of 3 and 2, both the terms. And 6 is the greater. So that's why directly you may write it as 6 as a LCM. So multiplied by both the side by 6. Both the side. So 6 into x plus 6 into 7 minus 6 into 8x by 3 equal to 6 into 17 by 6 minus 6 into here 6 into 5x by 2. Now cancel it here. So which are they going to cancel? 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are, and 6x get cancelled here, and 2 ones are, and this is 2 threes are. Then what is remain? 6x plus 6 into 7 is 42 minus 2 into 8 is 16x equal to this 17 as it is. There is no remainder at all, any terms, not left a single term here in this, means single constant or a variable. And this minus 3 5s are 15x. Okay, one side make it a variable, another side as a constant. So first you have to simplify this. Plus 6x minus 16x. Here plus is there. Sign are opposite, plus and minus. So 16 minus 6 is 10, and a greater number sign is minus. Always you should write it as a greater number sign. And this plus 42 is here equal to 17, and this minus 15x. So one side as a variable, another side as a constant. This minus 15x will become plus 15, and plus 42 will become minus 42. Plus 42 will become how much? Minus 42. Next step here, here 10x sign is a minus and 15x sign is a plus. Both the sign are opposite. 15x minus 10x how much? 5x, and greater number sign is plus equal to. And here this is plus and this is minus. Sign are opposite. 42 minus 17 is how much? 25, and the greater number sign is minus 25. Minus 25. Now transpose this 5 this side. That is x equal to minus 25 by 5. 5 ones are and 5 5s are. So what we got the answer? X equal to minus 5. Good. Excellent. X equal to X equal to minus 5, we got the answer. Next one. Fourth one. So fourth one is that here x minus 5 by 3 equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. Here solution is that before that given how to write it, x minus 5 by 3 equal to x minus 3 by 5. Transposing. So here I am going to use the transposing method. This 3 is sent this side. Actually 3 is the denominator. It will go numerator multiplied by 3 here. So multiplied by 3 here. So x you are shifting here. So this one 3 you have to shifting here. This is multiplied by 3 means denominator it will go, and this 5 will go it here. That is multiplied by 5. So 5 into x minus 5 equal to 3 into x minus 3. So 5 take inside. 5 have to multiply by here also and here also. You know that if you are giving this 5 to only here, then x will cry. Means whatever the terms you are taking inside this bracket, you should equally here also and here also 5 to 5 also and x also. 5 into 5 is 25 and 5 into x is 5x equal to here 3 take inside this one. So 3 into x is 3x and 3 into 3 is, so 3 into 3 is 9. So I solved here bracket. So next one, so one side has a variable, another side has a constant. 3x send this side, 5x, this plus 3x will become minus 3x equal to, and this is plus 25 will become, sorry, this minus 25 will become what? Plus 25, and this minus 9 as it is. 5x minus 3x is how much? 2x. 25 minus 9 is how much? 16. Obviously it's a 16. Now transpose the 2 this side. X equal to 16 divided by 2. Transposing, divide by 2. 2 ones are and 2 eights are. 2 ones are and 2 eights are. X equal to 8. We got the answer. So x equal to 8. Next example. Fifth one. Fifth one is that 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Yes, so this one we can take easy method, that is multiplied by LCM all the terms. So this one you have to take t by 1. T by 1 means nothing but t only. Yes, na? T by 1 nothing but t. So that is a t. And now find out the LCM of 4, 3, 3 and here 1. These all terms are distinct element. Distinct means different elements. There is no common factor apart from 1 at all. So that's called as distinct. Distinct. Now what is the LCM of 4, 3, 3 and then these two are the same. This LCM will be 3 only and 3 and 4 LCM is, that is a, obviously it's a 12. So, so LCM of 4, 3 is a 12 multiplied by 12 on both the sides. Both the sides and all the terms. Multiplying by both the sides by 12. So that is 3t minus 2 divided by 4 multiplied by 12 and minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 12 equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by 12 minus t into 12 multiplied by 12. All the terms means here also you should multiply. Don't think that sir here there is no denominator at all. Why we should multiply? No, no, no. Always you should multiply it here. Next, this is 4 ones are and 4 threes are. 4 ones are, 4 threes are, and this is 3 ones are, 3 fours are. Yes, na? And this is also 3 ones are and 3 fours are. This is 3 multiplied by this whole bracket, not only single term. 3 into 3t minus 2 and minus this one 4 into 2t plus 3. 4 into 2t plus 3 equal to this 2 into 4. So this is 2 into 4 minus t into 12 is how much? Though that is a 12t. Okay. Now open solve this bracket. Bracket you have to solve it. Means open the bracket. Multiplied by 3, 2 also and 3t also. Here 3 3s are 90, 3 2s are 6 and this is 4 take inside here. 4 2s are 80 and 4 3s are 12. Just observe it here. One small change is there. No, so you are not observing. This is a minus is there. Minus 80. Yes, it's right. Here, so with sign also you have to multiply it by. Here 2t sign is what? Minus. sorry, plus, and here minus is there. This minus and this plus, minus plus will become minus, and same, this minus plus will become minus 12. Next, simplify the t terms. 90 minus 8t. This is 90 and 8t is equal to 1t. 1t. Then this is a minus 6 and minus 12. Yes, minus 6 and minus 12. Here both the sign are same. If the both the sign are same, means what we should do? Add it. That is 12 plus 6 is 18. 12 plus 6 is 18, and if it is minus minus, you should write minus only. If it's a plus plus, then you should write plus. And if the sign are different, means which sign we have to write it? Which sign? Greater number sign. Always greater number sign. So greater number sign, you have to write it. Now one side as a variable, another side as a constant. This is t minus 12t. You have to shift this side. It will become plus 12t equal to 8 plus this minus 18 will become what? Plus 18. Transposing 12t to LHS, 18t to RHS. That is 13t equal to 8 plus 18 is how much? 26. Transposing 13 to RHS. And 13 send this side. So that's only transposing 13 to RHS. That is t equal to 26 by 13. 13 ones are how much? 13 twos are. Okay. T equal to how much we got it? T equal to 2. T, not that T, coffee tea. This is a alphabetical T, not that coffee tea equal to 2. No, 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 no. Alphabetical T. So this is fifth one. Sixth one. Is the T is equal to 2 is the required. Sixth example. Sixth example, m minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Here, same, we have m minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. So LCM of this 2 and this 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is how much? 6. Yes, obviously it's a 6. These two are the distinct elements. So that time just do the multiplication. Product of these two is a LCM. 2 and 3 product is what? 6. And multiplying both the side by 6. Both the side by. Both the side and all the terms. Here, here, here. Multiplied by both the terms and all the terms. Multiplying by both the sides by 6. So here also multiplied by 6. 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 And there is no denominator here. 2 ones are 2 3s are, and this is 3 ones are 3 2s are. Yes, and this is m into 6 is 6m minus as it is this 3 multiplied by m minus 1 equal to this 1 into 6 is 6, and this minus as it is m minus 2 multiplied by 2. And now this 3 take inside with the sign. You have to write with the sign. This minus sign also is there. Minus and this 3, both the terms are there. 6m, this minus, this plus. This minus plus will become minus, and 3 into m is 3m. And this minus and this minus, minus what? Obviously it's the plus. Plus. And this is 1 into 3 is 3. Yes, equal to 6, right, as it is, because it's not the part of this bracket. This is a different term. 6. And this minus and this plus. Minus plus is what? Minus. And m into 2 is 2m. m into 2 is 2m. And this minus minus will become what? Plus. Minus minus will become plus. And 2 2s are 4. 6m minus 3m plus 3 equal to 6 minus 2m plus 4. And simplify it. This 6m minus 3m is how much? 3m. And this plus 3 as it is. And here 6. This 6 and this plus 4 is there. 6 plus 4 is 10, and this minus 2m as it is. Now one side as a variable, another side as a constant. This 2m's and this side, that will become minus 2 will become minus 2m will become plus 2m equal to 10. This plus 3 will become minus 3. Transposing 2m to LHS and 3 to RHS. And this is 3m plus 2m is 5m. 3m plus 2m is 5m equal to 10 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Now transpose this 5 this side. So m, you have to transpose that, m equal to 7 by 5, transposing 5 to RHS. So this is the required solution of m, m equal to 7 by 5. So next, this is a like sub question. It is means like question number main question 1, and this is main question number 2. They are not given as a question number 2, but they mentioned as simplify and solve the following linear equations. So in that first one, very simple examples, just 3 take inside here, and here also multiplied by that first example we solved na part of the example. These are the part of that examples multiplied by both the terms with sign, Now 3 bracket t minus 3 equal to 5 bracket 2t plus 1. Then 3 if you are taking inside here, that is 3t minus 9. 3 into t is 3t minus, this is a plus into minus, minus here. Here plus is there, here minus is there. Plus into minus, minus. And 3 3 is a 9 equal to 5 2 is a 10t, and this is plus is there, this is plus there, plus only it will come. 5 into 1 is 5. So solving the brackets, I solved the brackets, so then I got it this much answer. And one side as a variable, another side as a constant. This plus 10t and this side will become minus 10t equal to this minus 9 will become plus 9. Plus 9 plus 5. And here 3t sign is a plus. There is no sign means plus only, obviously. So default it is. And 10t sign is a minus. Sign are same or opposite? Yes, opposite. So always I am saying that sign same or opposite. So what is that meaning? Just I will write it here. Just see here. If sign are same, then do the addition. What? Do the addition, and if plus plus are there, then answer sign should be plus. And sign are same, I said. So it may be minus minus also. Here also sign same. Here also sign same. If sign are same, then do the addition. So addition I told. And here plus you wrote, and here what we should write? Minus. Add it and write the minus sign. Remember, if sign are same, plus plus or a minus minus, do the addition. If plus plus is there, then write the plus. If minus minus is there, then write the minus with answer. And what we have to do, that sign are opposite. If plus and minus and minus and plus, so sign are opposite. So that time always you should do subtraction. Yes, always you should do subtraction. And sign, which sign we have to write? Greater number sign. Which number will be greater na, that sign you have to write it. Subtraction do it, and greater number sign you have to write it. Example, I will take so this some examples. Just see here. Plus 4 plus 5. Plus 4 plus 5. Yes, sign are same. Then do the addition. 5 plus 4 is 9. And I told to write the plus. And minus 4 minus 9. Sign are same means addition. Sorry. Minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5. Sign are same. Do the addition. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then which sign? Minus sign. And now plus 4 minus 5. Sign are opposite. Here plus is there, here minus is there. What we should do? Subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. And greater number sign. 5 is a greater. So that sign it will come here. Minus 1. And minus 4 plus 5. So minus 4 plus 5. See here. Here minus is there, here plus is there. Sign are opposite. 5 minus 4 is how much? 1. Greater number sign is this. 5 is a greater number. So that sign it will come. Means plus 1. So it will get it as a plus 1. These are the examples for the sign operations. You have to remember these all. Okay. So come to the here. Minus t, minus 7. How to shift this side? T will become minus, 14 by minus 14 divided by minus 7. So that 7 ones are and 7 twos are. 7 ones are and 7 twos are. So here minus as it is, this is not the what standard form. Minus always it will get as a here only. That is t equal to minus 2. This is the required solution. So next, eighth one, hence t equal to minus 2 is the required solution. Eighth one is here. It's a very simple actually. And if you perfect to solve that above examples like a fraction examples, this will help you too much, and you feel that this is a very easy examples. We have 15 y minus 4 minus 2 bracket y minus 9 plus 5 bracket y plus 6 equal to 0. Just you have to shift this, means you have to multiply 15 by these all the terms. 15 into y is 15y. 15 into y is 15y. And here plus is there. Plus into minus, minus. And 15 into 4 is 60. 15 into 4 is 60. And come to here. This is minus. Minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. 2 into y is 2y. And here minus, minus minus is plus. 9 2s are 18. And here plus and here plus. Plus is plus. 5 into y is 5y. And plus, and here also plus. Plus into plus is plus. 5 6 are 30 equal to 0. Now, one by one, first you have to make the arrangement of the variables. 15y and this minus 2y I wrote it here, and this plus y 5y I wrote here, and this minus 60 plus 18 and plus 30. So this is which property? It will say is that it's a commutative property. Yes. Now, one by one I have to solve it here. 15y minus 2y is 13y, and this plus 5y as it is, plus this minus 60, and this 18 plus 30 is how much? 48. 18 plus 30 is 48, and 13y plus 5y is 18y, and here I already told sign are opposite. Just recall that, minus and here plus. Sign are opposite means 60 minus 48 is 12, and this one is greater number sign, minus it will come, and one side I told to variable, another side as a constant. If you are shifting this minus 12 this side, it will become plus 12. 18y equal to 12, and 18 have to shift this side, y equal to 12 by 18, and you have to write in a simplest form. Simplest form is the final answer. So simplest form, that is 6 3s are 18, and 6 2s are, yes, very simple, that y we got the solution as 2 divided by 3. Value y equal to 2 divided by 3. The next example, ninth one. Hence the y equal to 2 by 3 is the required. Ninth one, 3 bracket 5z minus 7 minus 2 bracket 9z minus 11 equal to 4 bracket 8z minus 13 minus 17. First you have to simplify the brackets. So you have to simplify this bracket first. This is all we have, that 3 bracket 5z minus 7 minus 2 bracket 9z minus 11 equal to 4 bracket 8z minus 13 minus 17. Now 3 take inside. 3 multiplied by 5 with sign plus plus. Plus into plus is plus. 3 5s are 15z, and here plus is there. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21, and here the sign is minus, and here the sign is plus. Minus plus minus. 2 9s are 18z. So minus plus minus, 2 9s are 18z, and here minus, and here also minus. Minus minus plus. 2 11s are, that is 22 equal to 4 8s are 32z, and here plus, here minus. Plus minus minus. 13 4s are 52, and this minus 17 as it is. Now make the arrangement of the terms. 15z, there's with sign, whenever you are shifting the terms, now with sign you have to take it. Minus 18z will become, so here only just shift here. I am not transposing one side to another side, just you have to write it here, 18z, and this minus 21 plus 22 equal to 32z, and here sign are same. Sign are same means do the addition. 52 plus 17 is 69, and minus minus is there, you should write minus only. Now 15z minus 18z, sign are opposite, here plus, yeah, minus. 18z minus 15z is how much? 3z, and this is a greater number sign. So greater number sign. Here this minus and 3z. So minus 3z plus, and here sign are opposite. 22 minus 21 is how much? 1, and the greater number sign is plus, plus 1 equal to this 32z minus 69. One side as a variable, another side as a constant. So this plus 32z shift this side. It will become minus 32z minus 3z minus 32z equal to this minus 69, and this plus 1 will become minus 1, minus 1. And here sign are same. Sign are same is do the addition. Minus minus, this one as a do the addition. 32 plus 3 is 35, and minus minus is there, then means minus only you have to write it. Or greater number sign also you can apply it here. Greater number also you may apply. 32 is a greater number, na? So that sign only minus, or you can tell that if it is minus minus is there, then you should write it minus only. And here 69 sign are same. 69 plus 1 is 70, and greater number sign 69 sign is a minus, so minus it will come, or else minus minus sign are same, na? So minus only it will come. So now shift minus 35z here, this one transposing only minus 35z, transposing only minus 35z. So cancel this, only minus 35, minus 35 to this side. Z equal to minus 70 divided by minus 35. So 35 ones are here, 35 twos are, and this minus minus get cancelled. Z equal to how much? What is the solution of a Z? 2. 2 is the Z solution. Yes, na? So this is the required solution. So just cancel it here. Only minus 35 you have to shift that side. Minus 70 divided by minus 35, Z equal to 2. Next example. And Z equal to the required solution. Next one. This is like, no, you people are thinking that, sir, it's a decimal form, it's a very difficult. No, 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 no. It's actually very easy concept. 0.25, and I will read the number as digit wise, not total. 0.25. So 0.25. 0.25 bracket 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 bracket 10f minus 9. We have 0.25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 multiplied by 10f minus 9. So now 0.25 take inside. So that is 0.25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 multiplied by 0.25, and this 0.05. So take this side. Here 0.05 into 10f minus 9 into 0.05. So 0.25 into 4 is how much? 1. Just check it. So how you got the answer, sir? You are thinking, na? I will do it here. Just simple it is. 0.25 multiplied by 4. Now directly write it that 25 fours also you may write it, or 1 by 1 you can take it. So which type I have to do it? 1 by 1, na? Okay. 4 5s are 20. Here 4 5s are 20. 2 carry over. This 0 will come here. And 4 2s are what? 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry over. This is 0. 4 zeros are 0, and this one is as it is. And here after the decimal, how many digits? 2 digits. And here any decimal number are there after the decimal? No. Then total are how much? If any number are there here also, then after the decimal here 1, and after the decimal here 2. You have to 2 digit and this 1 digit. Total how many digits happen? 3 digits. So after the 3 digits, before 3 digits, you have to put the decimal point. Means this is 1, 2, and this is 3. The point, 0 point, it will come here. 0.100 it will come. But here what? Here there is no decimal number at all. Only 2 numbers. After the decimal, 2 numbers are there. Means before the 2 numbers, means just count here. This is 1, 2. Here decimal point it will come. 1.00. 0.25 multiplied by 4 is 1.00. 1.00 f means what? 1 only it is. Minus 3 into 0.25 is same. 0.75 equal to 0.05 multiplied by 10. So this one also one trick is there. So shall I explain it? Okay, I will explain. Very simple. Here 0.05 is there. Very simple actually. This is the 10, zero ending number it is, like 10, 100, 1000. If like this numbers are there, multiplied by 10 is there. Here how many digits are there? 1 digits. Means this decimal point you have to move right side after 1 digit, because only 1 zero is there. If two zeros are there, means you have to move 2 numbers. If 3 zeros are there, means you have to move 3 numbers. If 4 zeros are there, means you have to move 4 zeros. But here how many zeros are there here? Here only 1 zero. Only 1 zero means this decimal point you have to move only 1 point. So this will become 0.5 f minus 0.05 multiplied by 9 is how much? That is 0.45. Here this is a 1f minus one side make as a variable, another side as a constant. This 0.5 have to send this side. This plus 0.5 will become minus 0.5 and equal to minus 0.45, and this minus 0.75 will become plus 0.75, and this is 1 minus 1f minus 0.5f is how much? 0.5f. 0.5 means how much is half? It is half. If we are subtracting 1f from 1f from 1f, half f, then it will get so answer is a 0.5f or a half f, equal to here minus is there, here plus is there. Subtraction you should do it, because sign are opposite. 0.75 minus 0.45 is 0.30. Then greater number sign is minus 0.75. This plus it will get it here. Now send this 0.5 this side. So f equal to 0.30 divided by 0.5. Okay. Now here directly I wrote here 0.6. Then how we got the 0.6? So you people are maybe you are having confusion. So directly you wrote the answer, then how it will came? Very simple. I will explain you directly two methods. So two methods I am going to explain. Here after the decimal how many numbers are there? 1 is there. And here after the decimal 2 numbers are there. Just if how to shift this 2 maximum 2 are there, here maximum 1 is there. Means maximum you have to shift right side 2 numbers. Means this will become 30, yes, divided by, and here also you should move 2 digit. So you are telling 2 digit, but here only 1 digit is there. Now what we should do? Just you have to add the 0. Just you have to add the 0, means it is a what it is here 30 it is there, and here it's a 5. 0.30 30 divided by 50. Yes, this 0 get cancelled. This 0 get cancelled, and this is 5 ones are, and 3 is there. We can't possible to divide it. 0 point it will become 30. Yes, this is a 0.6. 5 6 that is 30. 0.6 it will come. Yes, so this is also one method, and another one is directly do it. Directly cancel it. After the decimal how much is there? So that much. Leave this number. This part is the same. So this part is the same. So 0 point. So 0 point. Here 5 ones are 5 6 are. Directly you may write it like this. You can do like this also, or you can do like this also. Whichever you feel easy, that's you may solve it. F equal to, we got it as a 0 point. F equal to 0.6. That is hence F equal to 0.6 is the required solution. Okay, I hope you all are enjoyed the class. So this is the exercise, that linear equation in one variable, that exercise. And if any doubts or any suggestions or any comments are there, just you have to comment in my comment box. And thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay, we'll meet you on next class. So until then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.